Amushomo gutebekanisi w'itendekero ya Kabale University ugugendere kushomesa abantu uko bakubasa kongera umutindo ahamondi Professor Kwefuga yashobora okucira ikikuru munonga abanya-Uganda okwejumbira mu kongera umutindo abintu ebiri kuhingwa mu ihangomu buteriho n'ebindi bitwine tihwereho ahantunguka y'ihanga.
Technology selection in skilling operators of enterprises and affordable financing. So I see major issues, but also you need an enabling environment that will guarantee regular and uninterruptible power supply and also other inputs like water supply and so on.
Professor Kwesiga yayuriko kutangara ahabwe ebintu bimwe bitwakubera ntibasa kwekorera mu ihanga nko butubwa meino ari kugira ngo utaronshonga habwe nki tushemeye ku bantu bwiha aheru y'ihanga nko mu ihanga rya China, Indonesia hamwe na Korea kandi bo mu ihangomu twine bintu biri kumara ibituri kubasa gukora mu butobo.
Potato crisps from as far away as America being sold in Kabale, a part of the world that grows potatoes. Doesn't make sense to me. It makes no sense to me that we're importing toothpicks from China and Indonesia and Korea when we have forests of bamboo all over the place. Let's adhere to those and get the expertise so that at farm level you can get the extension workers you need, the planting material that is right, you can get the technologies that will assure.
Vice Chancellor w'itendekero rya Kabale University Professor Joy Kwesiga yashobora kwaba United Nations Development Program UNDP bashagikira itendekero na miliyoni rwenda z'esente za Uganda ukubasa gukora jomurmo ugukongera umutindo ahamondi
is helping Kabale University to be relevant to the community. The potato is very important here, as I mentioned at the beginning. It is a crop, not just a crop for cash, but also a food crop for consumption. And therefore, when you help us to have this incubation center, and also to continue, because we shall also be doing research, you had some of our staff are dealing in that, plant breeders, we shall have others, business people.
Umuringo ngogumwe Innocent Freddy w'ikitongore cya UNDP yashobora kwenkwatanisa yabo n'itendekero rya Kabale University igendereye kutungura abanya-Uganda ndetse igenderwa cyo kubingo boro mu ihanga. Innocent yongere yashobora ngo ikitongore iki ndikita sente ziri kwingana biliyoni igana z'esente za Uganda muri Uganda buri mwaka.
And we thought this was a very good idea because it was consistent with what UNDP does and the value we attach to universities as spaces that can help us, strengthen and build the startup, ecosystem, but even go beyond that and impact our private sector, our industrial transformation, and maybe through that process see more outcomes from universities in terms of businesses.
Ebyo bikiri aho production officer wa district ya Kabale Beda Mwebesa igira itendekero kurebekanguri yakora okucondoza kirete litaka kusisikara mu district age.
And the first that is compounded by a number of factors. The declining soil fertility, and if I got the potato value chain itself, the production and productivity of potatoes. If you look at what people used to get under normal circumstances and the natural fertility with intrinsic stability and fertility, we used to get without any guinea fertilizer, we used to get about 9, 10 and 11 bags.
Guna shobora ngo bwahati district yabereye initaka rukweze mondi bwahati myaka 15 hingwire tubacharura ngo kubabere nibasharura ubunyakare. Itendekero rya Kabale University ryezirinde yonjera Amaani ukwiho burihindike rya government gurigira baro byakozwe mu mwaka gw'ingumi 2024 abana abeji bari mu itendekereri 15 kiriye ry'abantu buntu bwahati arimo abeji 15.